This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Which do I like better, Shay in the window or Shay at the door? Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jenna. I love to crochet plushies, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back! For today's video, we are doing moving vlog number 2. If you didn't catch moving vlog number 1, definitely check the link in my description. I'll have it linked down there for you guys. So the footage in this vlog is definitely my favorite compared to moving vlog 1. The first vlog had a bunch of like packing up, us in the moving truck, and then our first stop. But I feel like the first stop that we made in Tyler, Texas was kind of like the most boring stuff. Now we get into more juicier, fun content. And then at the end of this video, there will also be an empty house tour. I am so in love with our rental in California, you guys. Like, it has been amazing living here so far, and I'm really excited to just share everything with you. So with that, let's get into the vlog. All right, we're back in the truck and going on the road for day 2. Got Callie, got Shay, and we're out. Okay, we just got to the second stop. We're in Amarillo, Texas. This is our cute little Airbnb. Let's go in. We already dropped off Shay and Callie, so I think Callie will be at the door. There she is. Hi, Callie. So this is the cabin. It is so cute, you guys. Look at that! Oh my gosh, we got a little dining room, got a little kitchen. Yeah, got a cute little dining room table. Look at this. We got a little living room. So cute. I guess it's not really a cabin, it's like a tiny house. Look at that, it's so cute. It is so cute. I think Shay's hiding somewhere. Oh my gosh, okay, hello everybody. We have settled into our second Airbnb. Like I mentioned earlier, we're in Amarillo, and I actually have time to sit down and talk with you guys because yesterday was just a hot mess. It was chaotic. I briefly mentioned it in the clip earlier that I showed you guys where I kind of debriefed you about everything that happened. But basically, Jonas and I are doing this move entirely ourselves. Like, I don't know if I mentioned that before, but usually like sane people, normal people, smart people hire movers to pack up their house, to like drive the moving truck. They ship their cars and they just fly to wherever they're moving, especially if they're moving across states. Not us. We basically did everything. We got our own moving truck. Jonas is driving the moving truck. We packed up our entire house. We loaded everything onto the truck, and we're going to unpack everything and just do everything ourselves. And honestly, the like crazy side of me loves it, and I think it's so much fun. It's an adventure, but during the process it just sucks, but it's fine. Today has gone so much smoother. The drive was 7 hours. Yesterday's leg was 6 hours. It was the shortest leg, but I'm glad that we planned it like that, especially because things started going wrong yesterday. We like showed up at the Airbnb. It's pitch dark. We're in like rural Texas. We have no idea where this Airbnb entrance is. We go into the neighbor's yard, mess up their yard because our freaking moving truck weighs like 30,000 pounds, so the lawn's all messed up. We get stuck. We have to leave the truck there. We then have to like go into the Airbnb. We lock ourselves out of the Airbnb, and we're just so frazzled we don't realize that the door actually has one of those like password doors so you can like type in the code. So then we realized it. We realized we weren't locked out, and then finally got settled and crashed. We were also functioning on like 5 hours of sleep because we were up until 3 a.m. the previous night loading the truck. But yeah, it has been a week. I'm also sick still. I have been fighting this cold for 3 weeks now. It will not leave. I don't know what's going on. It has been a lot, but finally we got some peace. The Airbnb is so cute. We're gonna go out. We're gonna unhitch my car. We're gonna go out, explore Amarillo, get some like actual real food, and then tomorrow we drive from Amarillo, Texas to Flagstaff, Arizona. And I'm really excited for our Airbnb in Flagstaff because we're doing another like remote cabin, and we'll be able to see the stars really clearly because there's no light pollution. and it's set up really cute and rustic, so I'm excited about that. And then finally, we'll be on our way from Flagstaff to California. I hope I'm capturing the good moments in this vlog because, you know, typically I don't vlog my personal stuff, so hopefully I'm capturing everything. It definitely has been fun though. I'll be super happy to look back on this vlog and kind of relive this move. I feel like a lot has happened. It's super eventful, and you don't move across the country every day, you know, so it's fun to document it. Also, the pets have been such troopers, especially Shay. We were really nervous about Shay being in the cat carrier for like 8 hours, and also we were worried about all of us being piled into the cab of the truck, but no, Shay has been amazing. She's been such a trooper, and Callie just sleeps the entire time. Jonas is a great driver, and then I'm just chilling. I'm DJing. I should have brought some crochet, but you know what, it's definitely a good break. I just need to like zone out, enjoy some good music, and enjoy the road trip. So yeah, just wanted to debrief with you guys before we head out. More of the outside. Super, super cute. I love this blue color. Hi, Shay. You are doing so good, baby. You are doing so good. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, you get to look outside, baby. Shay loves looking outside. She wants to be an outdoor cat. Good girl, baby. All right, day number 3. We're headed to Flagstaff, Arizona. It's cold today. It's cold in Flagstaff. I think it's gonna be like 30 degrees. So we're all bundled up. But yeah, day 3. This is cool. Layers of paint. Mrs. Callie's here.
Callie.
Callie. Stop number 1, we made it to New Mexico. It is currently snowing. We also invested in some cowboy hats because why not? But yeah, just figured I'd give you guys an update. I am loving this cowboy hat. Jonas got one as well. But yeah, this weather is crazy, you guys. Like, I don't know why I thought New Mexico was hot year-round. Like, it's literally snowing right now. Jonas took Callie out, and yeah, this is what we're dealing with. Just a lot of like slush and flurries. Just wanted to take a quick break from the video to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. I'm also like half blind right now because my contacts are blurry. I just put them in, so don't mind me if I'm not making direct eye contact. So if you didn't already know, Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform that allows you to create beautiful professional websites, engage with your audience, and sell anything online successfully. One of my favorite features about Squarespace is that you don't need to know any coding to get your website up and running. They offer thousands of beautiful professional website templates for you to choose from, so you have a perfect starting place. And then their drag and drop website builder makes it super easy for you to customize your website exactly how you want it. Another great feature about Squarespace is the ability to have an online store. You can sell both digital and physical products, which is perfect for us crocheters because we can sell our physical plushies and PDF patterns. And lastly, if you sell in person a lot at markets or pop-up events, you can get a Square Reader, and that will allow you to take in-person sales, and all of your inventory will be synced directly to your online store. Head to squarespace.com for your free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/crochetbyjenna to receive 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring another video, and with that, let's get back into it. Callie, how excited are you to almost be there? Callie, good girl, good girl. Look at that cutie. Adorable. Little whiskers really are showing, Callie. That's adorable, Callie. You're just so sweet, girl. You're just so sweet. Okay, so this is the inside of the cabin. Look how cute this circular window is. It's so adorable outside. We even have a little hot tub. Okay, this is what it looks like when you first enter. You have your little kitchen. Then you have your bed. You got a cute little loft area up here. Got a couch. And then in here is the bathroom. Super cute. And they even have this little, I don't even know what this is called, fake fireplace. And it's super warm. It's actually pretty cold out. As you guys can see, there's snow on the ground. I think it's like 28 degrees, so super nice that they have this little fireplace. And yeah, the stay for tonight. Let me show you guys the outside. This is the outside. Isn't it adorable? There's Callie. It's beautiful out here. We're right outside Flagstaff. Okay, I gotta go help Jonas now. We got some bear scat. We out here. Look how pretty it is, guys. Oh my gosh. And then poor baby. Oh my gosh, always left out. Look at Shay, dude. Okay, the first one was questionable. This is definitely bear scat. We've been watching way too much wilderness TV. Like, wow. This is awesome. That is adorable. Look at baby. It's her cabin. I don't know which view I like better, Shay in the window or Shay at the door. All right, everybody. Hello, good morning. It is 6 a.m. Here is the sunrise. I don't know if you guys can see it. No, it's too exposed. But the sun is rising. We are gonna get on the road soon. And we are finally getting to California today. It is day 4 of our road trip across the country. And I am so happy to say it is day 4. I'm ready to just settle in one place. But the Airbnbs has been really fun. I'm so glad we did this like road trip adventure because it's been amazing, honestly. No regrets. Hi, Shay. Shay has been loving the Airbnbs, which is super surprising because I mentioned to you guys how she has severe anxiety, so I can't believe that she's been so chill with moving locations every night. But yeah, she's doing great. Goodbye, cute cabin. Guys, we made it! We officially made it. We're in California. We're in our new house and now it is unpacking time. But guys, I am so excited to show you guys the house, give you the empty house tour, and I can't believe the road trip is officially over. So this is the entrance. Then here we got probably my office, which is one of the guest bedrooms. Then in here we got, oh, where's the light? Oh, it's motion. Then we got a bathroom. Oh wait, why is this so zoomed in? Then we got guest bathroom. We got another guest bedroom. This is so chaotic. Then we have the laundry room here. Okay, and then we have this cute little like mud room. This is the garage door, but yeah, they have some built-in cubbies, so this is a cute little area. And this is the living room. This is my favorite room, the kitchen. This is our kitchen, our little dining room. Oh my gosh. And then outside we have the backyard. And then we have the master. And then we have the master bathroom. And this huge closet. Oh my gosh. This closet is huge. And yeah. Baby feeling at home already. Look at Shay. Shay did such a good job during the move. Oh my goodness. Baby did so good during the move. She barely meowed during the transportation. 8 hours every day in a truck, and she didn't even meow. Except today, the last day, she was meowing a lot, but every other day she was really, really good. Good job, Shay. Good girl, baby. Mrs. Callie is zonked. She is done. Callie is a whole mood. Okay friends, it's the next day. It's time to unpack everything. We were way too tired to unpack last night. So now it's a new day, we're refreshed. We got some Dunkin'. We didn't have Dunkin' in Mississippi in our town, so got some Dunkin', and now we're gonna unpack. Unloaded all of my houseplants because priorities. They honestly did good during the drive. Like, they definitely got a little beat up, but for the most part, they made it okay. All right, this is the situation currently. Oh my goodness. I am feeling a bit overwhelmed right now. Oh, look at Callie, baby, so sad. What happened to the house? It's crazy. But yeah, I only took off until Wednesday, so I go back to work on Thursday. So this means a majority of the work will need to be done tomorrow, but hopefully we can knock out a lot of this stuff. I feel like unpacking is way easier than packing, but we'll see how it goes. This is all of my crochet stuff, all of my yarn, all of my packing supplies. And then this is what the office is looking like right now. Oh my goodness, a mess. We'll get it done though. We'll see how much we can get done today and tomorrow. Yay, all done, empty, woohoo. Okay, just checking in with you guys. We have made some progress. We put all of the furniture in. We're putting together beds next. We're setting up the Wi-Fi. Things are coming together slowly. I think we want to prioritize getting the kitchen unpacked. That way we can stop eating out and start actually cooking and eating like normal people. I also took the braids out of my hair, and I love how wavy my hair looks right now. So I was like, you know what? Let me come on and record. But okay, back to work. But all right, I think that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you have enjoyed this whole moving vlog series. I'm really excited for moving vlog number 3, which is where we put my office together, we like unpack the house and all of that good stuff. But all right, I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.